Castor oil is renowned for its versatility and myriad health benefits. Derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, it has enjoyed popularity for centuries, even in traditional Indian medicine, for its therapeutic properties. Beyond its applications in skincare, where it's prized for its moisturizing and nourishing qualities, castor oil has also been utilized to address stomach issues and combat infections. This multi-purpose oil isn't limited to personal care. It finds use in various industrial applications, such as lubricating machinery and serving as a raw material in the production of fuel, lotions, and pharmaceuticals. Many enthusiasts advocate applying castor oil before bedtime, attributing it to enhanced absorption and effectiveness. In our video today, we'll delve into the rationale behind this practice and explore the potential benefits of incorporating castor oil into your nighttime routine. Stay tuned! Castor oil, renowned for its versatility and rich history of varied applications, emerges as a potent remedy for improving joint health. Particularly notable for its efficacy in alleviating discomfort and swelling, castor oil's components target joint inflammation, providing relief from pain and stiffness. Chronic inflammation poses a significant threat to joint well-being, but castor oil works diligently to assuage this issue and facilitate joint healing. Its penetrating properties allow it to lubricate joints deeply, enhancing movement and reducing stiffness. Moreover, castor oil's ability to enhance blood flow to joints is instrumental in delivering essential healing nutrients and oxygen while purging toxins. This dual action not only diminishes swelling and discomfort, but also fosters overall joint vitality. Additionally, castor oil strengthens muscles and ligaments, alleviating pressure on joints and promoting better musculoskeletal health. By combating oxidative stress within the joints, castor oil acts as a shield against potential damage to joint tissues. Struggling with sleep problems is a widespread issue, with many individuals grappling with insomnia or difficulty maintaining restful sleep. While medication is a common recourse, concerns about dependency and side effects often linger. However, castor oil emerges as a natural alternative that may offer relief for those seeking better sleep. Applying castor oil to the eyelids before bedtime is a simple yet effective method to promote relaxation and induce sleep. This natural remedy works to calm the mind and ease the transition into restful slumber without the risk of dependency associated with some sleep medications. Alternatively, aromatherapy with essential oils can also contribute to improved sleep quality. By combining castor oil with soothing essential oils like peppermint, lavender, or rose, individuals can create a calming blend to apply to their temples. This aromatic concoction helps to create a tranquil atmosphere conducive to restful sleep. Castor oil presents a natural and holistic approach to addressing sleep problems, offering a gentle yet effective means of promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. By incorporating castor oil into their bedtime routine, individuals can take proactive steps towards achieving better sleep without resorting to medication. If you're experiencing constipation, you're not alone. It's a common issue. Castor oil serves as a reliable remedy in such instances, functioning as a natural laxative. Its efficacy in promoting bowel movements is widely acknowledged by both users and constipation experts. By facilitating muscle contractions in the intestines, castor oil aids in moving food through the digestive tract, easing the process of elimination. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with constipation or preparing for medical procedures requiring bowel clearance, such as a colonoscopy. Studies have substantiated castor oil's effectiveness in relieving constipation, with research among older adults demonstrating its ability to facilitate easier and less strained bowel movements. Furthermore, it's often recommended for bowel preparation before medical examinations, ensuring thorough cleansing of the intestines. However, it's crucial to exercise caution with castor oil usage. While a small amount can provide relief, excessive intake may lead to adverse effects such as stomach upset, diarrhea, or cramps. Individuals with chronic health conditions should refrain from using castor oil without medical guidance. Castor oil is celebrated for its ability to promote healthier, shinier hair and potentially stimulate thicker, stronger, and faster hair growth, akin to the benefits of coconut oil. Its efficacy extends to untangling hair and addressing issues like hair matting, where strands become intertwined and form hard lumps. Research suggests that castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, enhances blood flow to the hair roots, potentially accelerating hair growth. This mechanism also underlies its application on eyebrows and eyelashes, where individuals seek to encourage growth and thickness. Furthermore, studies indicate that ricinoleic acid in castor oil may help mitigate hair loss by modulating specific hormones. For those with thick or frizzy hair, incorporating a few drops of castor oil into conditioner can yield smoother results. Using this mixture once or twice weekly can lead to noticeable improvements. For a more intensive treatment, applying castor oil to the hair before bed and covering it with a shower cap overnight can provide deep hydration and nourishment. In the morning, gently rinse the hair before shampooing and conditioning in the shower. Multiple shampoo cycles may be necessary to remove all traces of the oil, ensuring clean and revitalized hair. Castor oil possesses immune-boosting properties, making it a valuable asset in supporting overall health. Its beneficial effects on the immune system stem from its ability to enhance the function of the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system consists of a network of vessels that help eliminate excess fluid, proteins, and waste from cells throughout the body. Castor oil facilitates fluid flow within the lymphatic system, thereby promoting detoxification and immune function. Moreover, castor oil's impact extends to improving blood circulation and supporting the health of the thymus gland, an integral component of the immune system. Its historical use in treating joint pains, back pains, constipation, and stomach problems underscores its versatile therapeutic benefits. Castor oil offers valuable assistance in healing minor wounds, providing a simple yet effective remedy for cuts or scratches. While it's essential to seek medical attention for serious injuries, castor oil can play a beneficial role in managing minor wounds. One of the key benefits of castor oil in wound care is its ability to maintain moisture, preventing the wound from becoming too dry and promoting optimal healing. Medical professionals often utilize an ointment containing castor oil and Peru balsam, known as Venzil, for treating burns, skin sores, and postoperative wounds. The ricinoleic acid present in castor oil exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling and pain associated with wounds. Research supports the efficacy of castor oil in wound healing, as evidenced by studies demonstrating its effectiveness in various clinical scenarios. It's crucial to exercise caution when using products containing castor oil, as they may contain additional ingredients. Consulting with a healthcare professional before applying castor oil to wounds is advisable to ensure safe and effective treatment. Castor oil offers promising relief for inflammation and pain associated with conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil effectively blocks inflammatory substances, serving as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Furthermore, the oil's fatty acids act as natural pain relievers, making it beneficial for alleviating discomfort from arthritis, sore muscles, and menstrual cramps. Topical application of castor oil promotes increased blood flow to the affected area, further reducing pain and inflammation. In addition to its pain-relieving properties, castor oil also aids in reducing puffiness and soreness from bug bites, bruises, and minor wounds. Its ability to support the lymphatic system, responsible for eliminating body waste and fluid, is instrumental in reducing swelling and inflammation. Castor oil, a traditional remedy for a myriad of health and beauty needs, also serves as an effective treatment for fungal infections affecting the skin, nails, and scalp. Unlike conventional medications that may struggle with these infections, castor oil demonstrates remarkable efficacy. By inhibiting the growth and spread of fungi, castor oil effectively combats fungal infections, eventually eliminating them altogether. When applied to the infected area, castor oil reduces inflammation, providing relief from discomfort and pain. Moreover, castor oil's moisturizing properties make it particularly beneficial for addressing dry, flaky skin resulting from fungal infections. By hydrating the skin, castor oil alleviates itchiness and reduces the appearance of dry patches, promoting overall skin health. Tired of struggling with dry, parched skin despite using countless lotions and creams? Castor oil could be the solution you've been seeking. Naturally hydrating, Castor oil possesses ricinoleic acid, which effectively locks moisture into the skin. This moisture-sealing property makes castor oil a common ingredient in many moisturizing products. However, opting for pure castor oil allows you to skip the additional ingredients found in commercial products, which may irritate or exacerbate skin issues. Additionally, using pure castor oil is cost-effective, saving you money while delivering superior hydration. Castor oil isn't limited to just the face. It can be used all over the body to keep skin soft and supple. For enhanced moisturization, many individuals blend castor oil with other beneficial oils like coconut or almond. Before fully incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, it's advisable to perform a patch test on a small area of skin, such as the back of your hand, to ensure you're not allergic to it. We're thrilled to share the incredible health benefits of castor oil, from skincare to easing constipation. This amazing oil has been a trusted remedy for numerous health issues for years. Whether you're looking to improve your hair, skin, or digestion, give castor oil a try and experience its transformative effects. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more valuable health advice. Stay tuned for our upcoming content, where we'll continue to share ways to enhance your well-being and live a happier, healthier life. Keep exploring the natural remedies and stay informed. Thank you for watching.